A lot of people talk about God and they don't know about none. Right? A lot of people talk about herbs and they don't know about none. This here is neem. This is bitter the blood. Right? It's good for arthritis problem, cancer problems, and work good with the mango leaf. If you put it together, get rid of any pain within inside the body, make you see eye. The eye can see better with neem and mango leaf because it's high in beta carotene. Also high in vitamin A. Right? This here, this two of them together better than ganja. They say ganja just cure asthma and stuff like that. This here, you know what is this here? They call that nuni. This is a very good herb for menopause. Pre-menopause, male menopause, female menopause. People who get angry fast or even want to boil it and stuff like that, and you can wash off with it. This is a good herb. This is called nuni. Right? A lot of people know plum leaf good for pain. If you're having any pain inside your body, you get some plum leaf and you boil it and you drink it, and the pain gone. I have something here, you know what is called chamomile. It make a nice tea, calm the nerves. A lot of people talking about herbs, but they don't know about none. You see this rachet? You hear what's going on? You see this? This is very good for your hair. If you want the hair to grow and you want to look nice, you want to have nice skin, you can boil a piece and you can drink it. Right? You see bacano? You can hold this small 2 leaf a day, keeping high blood pressure away. Also, it's very good for heart problem. If you're having heart problem, 2 of the leaf is about 85 milligram. That's all you need, about 50 milligram a day, right, of the international unit. And you see, you're good. A lot of people talking about herbs, but they know about none. Right, this here is olive leaf. Right, you hear them talking about herbs, all kind of talk, but they didn't show you no herbs. This is olive leaf, good for infection in the body, any infection. Inflammation in the blood is what poison in the blood. Right, a lot of people, they give you a lot of different antibiotics, but this is the best antibiotic. This is garlic, right? This here is called the money bush. Any parasite within your body is very good. It works good. You see, this and cotton leaf is very good for parasite. Children who are having worms and stuff like that and thing. Those of you had a long worm like snake inside of your butt, this is excellent fit. Right? It's also good for women who hemorrhaging. Right? So this is called the money bush. Right? This is the bush that they put in the basket for Moses. A lot of people really know that. Right? It's called rough. And this here is the cotton bushes. Make clothes with this. But it's also good for all the worms and the snake and things you have inside of your belly. You find your belly hurting you and you have gas and different things like that. This is excellent for that. A lot of people having kidney problems and stuff like that. If you're having kidney problem and liver problem and things, see the croton? Croton is very good. It's good for cancer. Right? You put in this here. Right? This and this together is excellent for HIV. Right? This is what they call here black sage. Right? And the honey goat weed. Right? You put the 2 of them together, the 3 of them together, and you can get rid of any disease. All the diseases are the same. Right? If you have Ebola, hemorrhagic fever, if you have the yellow fever, those of you having herpes, all them diseases are the same thing. And that's why you could add now with the candle bush. You see all the women who are having period pain and stuff like this sort of thing? 6 leaves of each of all the leaves that I give you, it will work fine. But if you don't know it and you get it from Trevor Sayers, you know well, you don't want to use it bad. I am the herbal doctor. I have nobody when it. You see, this is thyme, right? It's time to use thyme. Right? Thyme have a lot of phytonutrients inside of it. It has beta-sitosterol, it has sulfate inside it, it has potassium in it, it has magnesium in it. It is excellent. It's also good to help men who are having problems with erection. This herb here bears nice flower here. This is an excellent herb. You know what it's good for? This is an excellent herb. It's very good. It's called Exora. Women who are having pain inside of the stomach. You have any yeast infections and things like Exora is good for you. It's good for men with prostate problem, right? This and also you see white here, this is good for high blood pressure and also good to reduce the swelling within the prostate area. So you're having that problem, you need to know that you must check Trevor Sayers, right? So I'm going back again. You see this time here? This time here worked very good. To get any information, this is pumpkin and pumpkin leaf. It works really and truly good. I can make a mixture and with any disease. Tell your doctor that Trevor Sayers say so. Anybody having skin rash and different things, I put in 3 herbs together to help you with the rash. Nuni, black sage, right? And soursop. I'm going again. Mango is very good. If you get a green mango and you tighten and you have it arthritis pain, you will see it will go. A green mango, you can put it in your fridge like your ice and you thing it and you will see it will go. A lot of the herbs is good for many other things, right? many other things. I just want to know that. Bacano is good for cold and cough. Right? It's excellent. I have a wild senna. Wild senna is also excellent for people who can't go off. If you're having problem go off, you could use some wild senna. A lot of people say marijuana is so good. Right? But I want to show you Bacano is better than marijuana. Right? Neem also is better than marijuana. I ain't talking about smoking and really getting high and thing, you know. I want to introduce to you, you see the plum leaf? Ladies who are having period pain, drink some plum leaf too, are giving all the herbs. Inflammation is what is causes pain. And when pain inside of the body, you can't walk, you can't talk. So you have to get rid of inflammation too, with the mango leaf and the plum leaf. And you get rid of any pain within the body. You have no pain, you have no sickness, you have no disease. Guess what? Trevor said it, yeah. I the herb man. Who is the herb doctor? Say it after me. Say Trevor says. The herb man. Say Trevor says. The herb man. I the greatest herb man of all time. You know what I'm going? I go on. I have so much herbs to talk about it. Nobody's supposed to be sick inside the hospital, you know. Trevor says it here. I the herb man.